The usual frequency for most people for giving formal presentations is once in a blue moon. This presents a problem because, as we know, repetition is key to learning and improvement. Instead of hanging around waiting for someone to invite you to speak, you need to get out there and beat the bushes for opportunities to present. What can you speak about? There will be a natural alignment between your own areas of experience, expertise and knowledge, and popular demand, which will determine the types of subjects you will be able to speak upon. How will speech organisers know you exist as a speaker? Investigate what sorts of groups exist in your area who regularly feature speakers. A simple way to demonstrate your ability is to do speeches on relevant subjects, video them, and put them up on social media. Absolutely video the actual live speech. Post that video on your website, YouTube, and social media. We get into a virtuous circle here where success breeds success. This is really great for personal and company brands, and that is what we want.